Preheat your oven to 375 degrees and get 1 pound of ground beef. I'm using 93% lean, but you can use fattier beef. Add a 1 ounce packet of dry onion soup mix and mix it all together well. Form it into 4 burger patties and set them aside. In a big bowl, add 4 small Yukon yellow potatoes that have been peeled and sliced, 2 cups of peeled diced carrots, 1 large yellow onion that has been sliced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix everything together well. Get a piece of 12 by 18 foil and spray it with non-stick cooking spray. Put 1/4 of the vegetable mix in the center. Put 1 beef patty on top of that. Then 2 tablespoons of condensed mushroom soup. Seal the packet very well and repeat that process with the other 3 patties. Once all 4 are packed up, put them on a pan. Then bake them at 375 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes or until the beef is cooked and the potatoes and carrots are tender. And that's it. Please consider giving the video a like and thanks for watching.